Hi guys, and welcome back to this week's video from Bitesize Excel. In this week's video we're going to talk about saving a chart as a template. It can be quite difficult sometimes to find the perfect chart within your default settings in Excel, so you might go through a lot of time and effort to set up your chart exactly how you want it, changing the fonts, changing the colours, legend and axes. And once you've gone through all this trouble, so say I've set up the chart and I like it like this, and then I come on to the next year and I want to do the same type of chart, most people will probably go through and do all those steps again, which can be quite time consuming because when you put in your chart, if we select the same type of chart, you'll see it just goes in as one of the defaults, and then none of these options up here quite hit the mark. However, there is a way of just saving that original chart as a template and then applying it to any other data to get the perfect chart each time. And this is really easy to do. What you do is you right click on your chart, you come down to Save as Template, you select where you want to save it and the name you want to save it as. I'll just leave it as Chart 1 for now. And then when you come to Insert a New Chart, so I've got my data selected here, I come to my Insert tab at the top, I go to Recommended Charts, and instead of staying on Recommended Charts, I come over to this All Charts tab and go to Templates, which for me at the moment is the second one from the top. And you'll see that that chart template that we just saved is in there, and I can double click on it and it will automatically insert that chart with the exact same fonts and format. What it doesn't do is change things like the title, you'll have to update those yourself, but everything else is as per the format that you set up. So this can be a really useful tip to make sure that all your charts are in the same style, in your company colours, or in any way that you might like them. I hope that you found this useful. Remember to leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.